Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now in front of you, you see four big examples on how to solve one-step equations. And here they are. A plus 12 is equal to 38. C minus 20 is equal to 92. 51 plus n is equal to 69. P minus 40 is equal to 28. And let's go back to big example one, in which we have A plus 12 is equal to 38. And sometimes students have problems with solving one-step equations because they don't know which number to work with. Well, here's a key bit of information. You work with a number that is on the same side as the equal sign as the letter. See, in this case, we have 38 on the right side with no number, or I should say no letter attached to it, while the 12 in this case has a letter attached to it. And that is the number we're going to work with. We're going to work with 12. And let's say it like this. What number is hiding behind box A that when we add 12 to it will give us 38? And believe it or not, we're going to have to perform the opposite operation of addition in order to find out what that number is. And so what we're going to do, we're going to subtract 12 from both sides. And so we have a 12 minus 12 will give us 0, while 38 minus 12 will give us 28, or I should say 26. All right, 38 minus 12 will give us 26 right here. Notice that we should have a 0 on one side of the equal sign and a number on the other side of the equal sign. And that number lets us know that that is the answer, because we know that A is equal to 26, because when we plug 26 into the box, we know that 26 plus 12 will equal 38. Now let's apply that same process to C minus 20 is equal to 92, noticing that C and 20 are on the same side as on the equal sign, right? They're on the same side of the equal sign, but 92 is all by itself on the right side. Because C and 20 are on the same side, we're going to work with number 20. And so we have a subtracted 20, which means that we're going to have to do the opposite operation for 20 by adding 20 to both sides. And so a negative 20 plus 20 will give us 0, while 92 plus 20 will give us 112. And this is the number that is hiding behind box C, because when we plug in 112 into the box, we notice that 112 minus 20 will give us 92. And so we know in this case, C is equal to 112. All right, and let's move to big example 3, in which we have 51 plus n is equal to 69, noticing that 51 is on the same side as n. Therefore, we're going to have to work with 51 to find out what number is hiding behind box n. And we're going to do that in this case by subtracting 51, because believe it or not, this is a positive 51, meaning that we're going to have to do the opposite operation by subtracting 51 from both sides so we can get a 0 on one side and a number on the other side. And so we have 51 minus 51 will give us 0, while 69 minus 51 will give us 18. And we know now that 51 plus 18 will actually give us 69. And so we know now that n is equal to 18. Now let's move on to our final big example 4, in which we have P minus 40 is equal to 28. And the big question is, what number is hiding behind box P that would give us that when we subtract 40 from it, it would give us 28. And again, we're going to work with 40 because 40 is on the same side as the equal sign as P. And so we have a subtracted 40, so we're going to add 40 to both sides. And when we do that, and negative 40 plus 40 will give us 0. Good, we have our 0 on one side, while right here, 28 plus 40 will give us 68. And so we know that 68 minus 40 will actually give us 28. And as you can see right here, P is equal to 68. Okay, you have been given quite a bit of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these 4 big examples, or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of the concept of one-step equations. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.